Tired of sifting through stacks of paper statements just to find one transaction? Or maybe you need a statement right now for a loan application or a bill, but you're nowhere near your computer. What if I told you there's a simple way to get all your financial history, instantly, right from your phone? In today's video, we're diving into the BrioDirect app to show you exactly how to download your account statements in just a few taps. It's a super quick process that can save you a ton of time and hassle. First, open the BrioDirect app on your smartphone and log in securely. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a summary of your accounts. Tap on the specific account you need a statement for. Next, look for the e-documents or statements section. The app is designed to be intuitive, so it's usually easy to spot. From there, you'll see a list of your available statements, typically organized by month or year. Simply select the statement you want to download. The app will generate a PDF file of your statement. You'll then get a prompt to either view or save the document. Choose to save it, and it will be stored on your phone. You can then easily email it, print it, or upload it wherever you need it. And that's it. In less than a minute, you have your official statement, no paper, no waiting, just pure convenience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.